In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam Error Code E84, which is a common login failure that prevents many players from accessing their game libraries. This specific error often appears with the message saying something went wrong during the sign-in process, and it can be incredibly frustrating when you just want to jump into your favorite games. Whether you are dealing with a localized glitch, a network conflict, or a server-side issue, this guide will walk you through every single step to get your account back online. We will cover 5 different troubleshooting methods, starting from the simplest fixes to more technical solutions, to ensure you find what works for your system. This method is perfect for anyone on Windows or Mac encountering this persistent obstacle in 2026. If this video helps you solve the problem, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more tech fixes. Alright, let's get started with the first and most basic step. Usually, a simple restart can clear out temporary session bugs. Close your Steam client completely by right-clicking the icon in your taskbar and selecting Exit. Once it is fully closed, relaunch it and try logging in again. When you do this, double-check that your username and password are correct. It sounds simple, but a small typo can sometimes trigger generic error codes like E84. If you have been typing it in manually, try re-entering it carefully. If the error continues even with the correct credentials, you should try to reset your password using the Steam account recovery system. Sometimes, refreshing your account security can clear out the login hangup that causes the E84 error. Simply click on the I can't sign in option on the login screen and follow the prompt sent to your email. Next, we need to talk about your internet connection. One of the most common reasons for error E84 is a conflict with a VPN or a proxy server. Steam is very sensitive to location masking. If you have a VPN currently running in the background, go ahead and disable it completely. The same goes for any proxy settings in your Windows network configuration. Once these are off, try logging into Steam again to see if the connection is established. If you are specifically trying to log in through a web browser rather than the desktop client, the issue might be your local data. You should clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become corrupted and interfere with the login handshake. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy section, and clear your browsing data for all time. This will give you a clean slate for the Steam website. Finally, if none of these steps have worked so far, there is a strong possibility that the issue is not on your end at all. Steam servers can occasionally become temporarily overloaded, especially during major sales or large game updates. In this case, the best thing to do is simply wait and retry after 30 minutes to an hour. You can check third-party sites like steamstat.us to see if the login servers are currently experiencing downtime. By following these steps in order, you should be able to bypass the E84 error and get back to your gaming. Don't forget that keeping your Steam client updated to the latest version is also key to avoiding these types of glitches in the future. If this comprehensive video helped you get back online, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.